In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom stamp in PDF. We'll do this in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, and it only takes a minute. Have your PDF open, plus the image you want to convert into a stamp. Supported formats are PNG, JPG, and PDF. So pick the one that gives you the best quality. With your PDF open in Acrobat Pro DC, head to Tools. From the Tools panel, select Comment to open the commenting toolbar. In that toolbar, click the stamp icon. A menu opens, choose Custom Stamps, then click Create. This brings up a dialog where you can point Acrobat to your artwork. Click Browse, navigate to the file you want, and select it. If you're choosing between formats, a transparent PNG is great for logos or signatures because it won't leave a white box around your design. High contrast JPGs work well for photos, and a vector-based PDF can keep lines super crisp. Aim for a reasonable resolution, around 150 to 300 dpi, so your stamp stays sharp without ballooning the file size. Click Open to import the image. Next, give your stamp a category and a stamp name. The category acts like a folder you'll see later, so pick something you'll remember, like My Stamps or Team Assets. The stamp name should clearly describe the graphic, such as approved logo or paid seal. Clear names make it easy to find the right stamp quickly. When you're set, click OK, that's it. Your custom stamp is now saved and reusable. Anytime you come back to the stamp menu, you'll find your new stamp under the category you created, ready to apply in any PDF you open with Acrobat Pro DC. A few quick tips to get the best result. If the stamp you designed has a background you don't want, remove it before importing and save as a PNG with transparency. Keep the original artwork handy so you can update the stamp later if branding changes. And if you don't see the Create option, you're likely in the free reader or a different mode. Switch to Adobe Acrobat Pro DC to enable custom stamps. For smoother workflows, organize categories by client, department, or purpose, and keep names consistent like Approved, Draft, or Final. Stamps scale based on the image you import, so create artwork roughly at the size you expect to use on the page to keep results crisp and predictable. Finally, avoid embedding sensitive information in the image, since anyone who can open the file can view the stamp.